Let's perform some operations on tables. So we have created demo2 table with name and age column. So now I will use JMS template to insert data. jdbc template dot. So I will use what method I will use. I will use execute method to insert data. I can simply pass the SQL statement here. So insert into demo2 values. I'm going to insert value. I will insert name as Raj and age as 20. Let's see what happens. So it has successfully inserted the data. To check whether it has inserted or not, I will use another query. Will execute jdbc template dot. So for this I will use a query for object method. So here I can pass my SQL query. Select I want to get the name. There's only one name. Okay, I'll do one more thing. I will enter one more name, Rahul, and his age will be 21. Let's execute this one also. I have inserted two names, Rahul and Raj, and now I will retrieve value. So I will retrieve names from demo2 and the required type, the type after returning something from this method, what will be the type? So that type I need to mention, so that will be string type, string.class. So string type of value it will return, and then I will take this value. So since the okay, I will use id. I just want one name, so I will use where condition, where age equals to 21. I'll leave that thing. I'll explain that thing later. Since there will be two names, so I need to get those names inside a list L. Sorry, string, and now I will print those values. So for printing I will remove this stuff and I will print st, L, but it will not print. See, it will show some error. It is showing error, incorrect result size, because I'm returning 2. I'm expecting 1 because I have used query for object that will return only one data, and I am actually retrieving 2 because I have mentioned the query as select name from demo, so it will select all the names, but I am passing it to L so this will not work here. So I will have to use list here instead of object. List, query for list method, and then I will have to pass this data to a list, and then I can print this list. Yeah, list. This time it will work, and it will return me both the names, Rahul and Raj. Yeah, so now it is returning Rahul and Raj. If I want to use query for object, then I will have to mention the ID object. Then I will have to write a where condition and age equals to whatever age data I want, so that I need to mention. And along with that, I will need to create object array through which I will pass this ID value. So ID will be 21. Here I cannot mention 21. Here I will have to mention question mark, and I will pass this value using this object array, comma. So and return type will be string. So now it will work. See, it will return Rahul. Yeah, so it is printing Rahul. So when you are using query for objects, you will have you will have to pass three arguments. One is SQL statement, second is object array. There you will pass the ID, and ID or whatever column you whatever condition you write inside your SQL statement, that condition value you will have to pass, and the type, return type of return type, like whatever the value of this, whatever type of value this method will return, that you will have to mention, and then you have to get that value. So this way query for object and query for list method works. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.